would like to take a couple of minutes of yours to educate the society. Could you spare some time?
Yes, sure, why not?
Doctor, as we all know, the infertility issue is rising day by day. Do you agree with me?
Yeah, of course. I'm also seeing a lot of patients coming to me as having infertility in a younger age group.
What is the reason of such a rise?
You know, the lifestyle of the people have changed. People are overworked now, they are stressed, they do smoke, and they eat a lot of junk food, and they do not take open air exercises. So these are the reason, and the traffic is rising, stress levels of the people have gone up. These are the reason. Because of that, the sperm and the egg quality is deteriorating.
Do you think the problem is more with corporate world?
Yeah, of course, because they have to work long hours, they have to travel when there's a lot of traffic, and then their stress levels is high, they do not get married well in time, they try to postpone their pregnancy, and finally they'll end up with us with the infertility problem.
Can these corporate people preserve fertility if they want to have an issue later in life?
I would say if a female is married, she can get the IVF done and get the embryos preserved if they want later on. I'm telling only for those patients who are fertility is already low. I don't mean that they should straight away go for IVF and not even try normally. But in case if they want to preserve that, they do not want to have children now, later on in their life they will not have good qualities of eggs. So in those cases who are already having low ovarian reserve and still do not find some proper match, or maybe they do not want to have issue now, they can preserve their eggs or embryos.
How do you think we can overcome this problem?
We have to educate the society. First of all, we need to tell them that they have to change their lifestyle. Because they have to work long hours, they have to take breaks in between. Even if they have to work for hours together, in spite of doing that long hours work, if they take 10 to 15 minutes break in between, I think that can relax them. Moreover, I think if we talk about the offices in the corporate world, I would advise the owners and the CEOs to help them have healthy food in the form of that they should provide these healthy food in the canteens, they should provide these healthy food in the cafeterias. So people should be educated to take this healthy food rather than taking something else.
Do you think meditation and exercise can help individuals?
Yeah, of course, because the role of meditation is that it brings everything to normal. Like if the hormones are haywire, and sometimes we find that there is no correlation between the hormones and fertility, still the hormones are very high. So we need to bring it to normal. If a lady or a gentleman meditates regularly for about even half an hour daily, morning and evening, we have found that the hormone levels come to normal. And exercise also, when we exercise, like when a person exercises, most of the time blood flows through all the muscles. Similarly, when we exercise, the blood goes to ovaries also, blood goes to improve the sperm also. So that is a reason if they exercise regularly, their fertility improves.
How do you think we can reduce our stress level when we are in the heavy traffic?
Yeah, see, these things need to be learnt. Until unless we do not learn, we do not know. In case if you are sitting in a car and you know that we cannot go ahead, a lot of traffic is there, we cannot do, instead of generating stress, we should do some relaxation. We can do some breathing exercises. We can close our eyes and sit quietly, involve ourselves in something else like reading or maybe doing a laptop. We should not have that anxiety of reaching earlier when there is a lot of traffic. We have to manage it ourselves.
How does the relaxation exercise help to overcome infertility?
That's why I mentioned before, these relaxation exercises balances the hormone. It improves the psyche of the patient also. So all these hormones which are liberated from the brain have effect if the person regularly exercises and meditate.
Thank you so much, doctor. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.